And I start to question everything. Like what? Like when you kiss me on the cheek, what does it mean?
Hi everyone, my name is Ankita. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 4 spring hairstyles that are just cute, fun. I feel like when the winter finally ends and it's spring and it's warm outside, I just like to start wearing fun colors and do my hair, and these are really trendy tutorials. So I wanted to show you guys a quick tutorial on how you can have some cute hair as well. So this first tutorial is really simple. I wore this in my February favorites video. It was the last video I uploaded. It's a really cute hairstyle and it's so easy. I'm calling this like the half pigtail look. You're gonna have your hair half up, half down with like 2 pigtails right here, and it's gonna look super cute. You're gonna start with parting your hair down the middle. My hair is already parted. And then you're gonna leave a few face framing pieces out in the front. Roughly gather your hair about like a quarter section from the top on both sides. Like a thin black elastic or any thin hair tie and just tie it up. If you want to be really spunky, you could do like a little bun situation, but I'm not going to do that. So it looks like this. And then I'm just going to do the same thing to the other side. You could tighten it a little so there's some volume at the pigtail. And that's it. You could do this with your hair straight or curled. I forgot to mention it, but I did curl my hair with this T3 hair curler. This is the 1.5 inch barrel. I think this hair looks best when your hair is a little curl because it adds some volume and some body to your hair. And then a way to modify this hairstyle if you don't want the bangs in the front or something, you could take your face framing pieces and you can actually wrap them around the pigtail. And then just secure that with a bobby pin. So not only does this hide the hair tie, but it also looks just cute with your hair wrapped up. And okay, hairstyle number 2 is so simple. It's literally just 2 braids in the front. You can use like your face framing pieces, your bangs, whatever it is, but just take like a 1-inch section of hair. Make a simple braid down, but just make sure the braid is very tight. You don't even need a hair tie if your hair sticks. You can also just spray hairspray at the end. If you have thicker hair, then you probably just want to secure it with a little tight elastic. I've been seeing like 2 braids in the front like this a lot over Instagram, but I just thought it looked really cute, so here I am also doing the same hairstyle. You can always take these 2 braids and just pin them in the back with bobby pins like this, and this is also a super cute look. Okay, the next hairstyle is just a top knot with your framing pieces out. So you're going to do a super high bun. Honestly, when you do the top bun, you could leave these braids down. I just kept it in a braid just to see what it would look like, but that would be kind of cute too. It's like 90s. So I just gathered my hair in a super high ponytail, and I just want to make sure everything is smoothed out. You don't want any bumps. So I'm going to just start twisting at the base and down my hair, and then start twisting it around into a bun. I'm going to take bobby pins and pin the ends, and then I'm also going to secure it with a hair tie. If you want to make it neater, you can put hairspray to smooth down any flyaways. This was a top knot, just a quick bun with some framing pieces. You literally put 2 minutes of effort into a hairstyle and you just look fun and sophisticated. Okay, so the next hairstyle is also still very simple, or it's probably the toughest out of all 4 of these hairstyles, but still very simple. So I'm just once again going to leave some face framing pieces out. Then I'm going to start French braiding my hair. So I'm just going to make sure first that my hair is in a middle part. And I'm going to start French braiding my hair. I'm actually doing a Dutch braid, which is the opposite of a French braid, so the braid sits on top instead of inside the hair. So it's a reverse French braid. And I'm just gonna braid up until behind my ear and secure that. Dividing my hair in half on one side. And end it behind your ear and then just tie your ponytail. You totally could just leave it like this, but I'm actually going to gather my hair into a ponytail, making a fun scrunchie like this. I'm going to get in a ponytail because I do love having my hair out of my face, but I think this is a really fun way to do that. You can also go ahead and pull the braid a bit so that there's more volume in the braid itself. You can also take a bobby pin and stick it inside in the ponytail so that there's a little bit more volume. That's it for this hair tutorial. I hope you guys learned how to do a few quick hair tutorials and are inspired to do something fun and creative with your hair. Doing something a little different with your hair can make you in a happier mood. It can kind of change up your look, and spring is finally here, so I just want to spread some happy and positive vibes. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video if you want more hair tutorials, if you enjoyed this hair tutorial, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!